The 2026 Honda Pilot is coming with updates, addressing weaknesses that have been holding it back for a while. If you're considering buying a Pilot right now, you need to know that the 2026 model is getting a series of novelties under the hood, inside the cabin, and around it. While most automakers are jacking up prices and forcing buyers into higher trims for basic features, Honda is doing the opposite, making the 2026 Pilot the value play that three-row SUV shoppers have been waiting for. Number 6. Critical tech updates. The current Pilot falls behind competitors when it comes to technology. One of the most frequent complaints from buyers centers on the small infotainment screen in base trims, a 7-inch unit that looks inadequate in such a large cabin. Rivals like the Kia Telluride and Mazda CX-90 offer much larger displays as standard equipment. The 2026 Honda Pilot is making the larger 9-inch touchscreen standard across all trim levels. This means even entry-level sport models will get the upgraded display currently reserved for higher trims. When you're navigating unfamiliar roads with a car full of restless kids asking, "Are we there yet?" the last thing you need is squinting at a tiny map while trying to keep your eyes on traffic. The larger display is easier to glance at, reduces eye strain during long trips, and allows both driver and passenger to see navigation details without leaning forward. Accessibility of the digital instrument cluster is expanding as well. The 10.2-inch digital gauge display, currently limited to Elite and Black Edition trims, will be available in more configurations, providing better visibility of navigation information and vehicle data. But better screens mean nothing if the powertrain can't deliver the efficiency modern families demand. Number 5. V6, no longer sole option. The current Pilot's 3.5-liter V6 engine is one of the most refined and reliable powertrains in the segment. With 285 horsepower and a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic, it delivers strong performance. Honda has perfected this engine over nearly 3 decades, but many buyers see the naturally aspirated V6 as a drawback. Fuel economy can't match electrified rivals, returning just 19 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway with all-wheel drive. Turbocharged competitors also deliver more low-end torque. The 2026 Pilot is gaining a hybrid powertrain option that will transform the SUV's efficiency profile. The new system pairs a 2-liter gas engine with a dual motor setup, generating 321 horsepower, which is a substantial jump from the standard V6's 280 horsepower. The hybrid is expected to achieve approximately 25 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. If you're putting 15,000 miles annually on your Pilot, typical for families juggling school runs and weekend getaways, you're looking at the difference between filling up every 5 days versus every 8 days. With the Pilot's 19.5-gallon fuel tank, that translates to a potential range of nearly 600 miles between fill-ups. This kind of efficiency means spending less time at gas stations and more money staying in your budget. The hybrid maintains Honda's all-wheel drive and provides instant torque delivery from the electric motors. So the hybrid makes perfect sense for efficiency-focused buyers. But what about those who still want simplicity and proven reliability? Number 4. Unbeatable V6. The new hybrid brings clear benefits, but many buyers will still gravitate toward the good old V6. It's capable enough for towing up to 5,000 pounds, super refined in operation, and built with Honda's reputation for bulletproof reliability. This is an engine that can serve you for a lifetime. The secret lies in constant refinement that's lasted for nearly 3 decades. Honda has systematically improved every aspect of this powertrain, from reducing internal friction to optimizing fuel delivery. The result is a V6 that runs smoother and quieter than turbocharged 4 cylinders, while maintaining the reliability that made Honda famous. When you're loading up for a family vacation at 5 a.m., you don't want to wonder whether your SUV will start or if some complex hybrid component might fail halfway to your destination. The naturally aspirated V6 eliminates those worries. No turbos to fail, no intricate hybrid systems to service, no concerns about battery replacement costs. The 2026 model is bringing further minor enhancements for even more refinement. These updates focus on reducing NVH and improving throttle response. While the changes won't dramatically alter power output, they'll make the engine feel more responsive in daily use. Of course, even the best engine is only half the equation if the chassis can't deliver the ride quality families expect. Number 3. Chassis and suspension setup. One of the Pilot's defining characteristics has always been its balance in ride quality. It manages to be comfortable enough for long highway trips while remaining sporty enough to feel engaging on winding roads. Competitors like the Kia Telluride prioritize comfort to the point where handling suffers, while others like the Mazda CX-90 lean so far toward sportiness that ride quality becomes compromised. The 2026 model continues to refine this balance further. Honda engineers are making meaningful adjustments to suspension tuning and chassis rigidity. Retuned dampers are expected to smooth out rough pavement more effectively while maintaining composure during aggressive cornering. The suspension geometry receives subtle tweaks that improve body control without creating a stiff ride. The Trailsport trim is also getting refinements to its off-road tuned suspension. With an extra inch of ground clearance, this variant appeals to families who venture onto unpaved roads. The 2026 updates will improve the Trailsport's ability to absorb impacts from rocks and ruts while maintaining better stability on paved surfaces. These chassis refinements translate to reduced fatigue and more confidence in various driving conditions. The Pilot remains one of the few three-row SUVs that doesn't force you to choose between comfort and handling, but ride quality means nothing if the interior doesn't make everyday family life easier. Number 2. Practicality. The Pilot has been a class leader in practicality for years, and the 2026 model is introducing new solutions that raise comfort and convenience to a higher level. Cabin dimensions will remain similar. The current model already offers exceptional space in all three rows. Few competitors can match the Pilot's 59.5 inches of shoulder room in the third row, where adults can actually sit comfortably. What's changing are the thoughtful details that make family life easier. Honda is adding new storage solutions throughout the cabin, including redesigned door pockets that hold larger water bottles and additional USB-C charging ports. The current model's USB-A ports are being phased out in favor of the faster USB-C standard. Anyone who's dealt with dead devices on a road trip knows the frustration of hunting for the right cable or waiting forever for a slow charge. With everyone glued to their phones, tablets, and gaming devices, having fast USB-C charging throughout the cabin means fewer arguments about who gets to charge first and more harmony on those 4-hour drives. The second row seating system is getting improvements as well. The removable center section that currently stows under the cargo floor is being refined for easier installation and removal, allowing families to quickly switch between 7-passenger and 8-passenger configurations. Cabin Talk, Honda's in-car intercom system, is becoming standard on more trims. Cargo management is also improving, with the 2026 Pilot adding adjustable tie-down points and organizing systems that keep groceries from sliding around. All these upgrades sound expensive, but here's where Honda's strategy gets really interesting. Number 1. Pricing. Despite all these updates, the 2026 Pilot's pricing is remaining similar to the current model, with only minor increases. The 2026 Sport trim will start around $42,000, while the EXL will begin near $45,500. The Touring trim will retail for approximately $49,500, and the Trail Sport will start around $51,500. Elite trim pricing will go near $54,000, with the Black Edition coming in around $56,500. These figures represent modest increases of $500 to $1,000 over the current model, far less than the rate of inflation. What makes this pricing strategy brilliant is the value proposition. You're getting a hybrid powertrain option that delivers dramatically better fuel economy, standard tech features that were previously limited to higher trims, and refinements to the chassis and suspension, all without breaking the bank. The hybrid variant will command a premium over the standard V6, but early estimates suggest the price difference will be around $2,000 to $3,000. For families driving 15,000 miles annually, the hybrid could save $800 to $1,200 per year in fuel costs compared to the standard V6. Honda's decision to keep pricing competitive while adding significant improvements positions the 2026 Pilot as one of the smartest choices in the three-row SUV segment. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're investing in Honda's reputation for reliability, gaining access to modern technology, and enjoying the fuel efficiency that was missing from previous generations. The 2026 Honda Pilot represents everything a smart SUV buyer should want: meaningful upgrades without the financial penalty that usually comes with them. Between the game-changing hybrid option that delivers 600-mile range, the standard tech features that bring the Pilot into the modern era, and the refined V6 that keeps traditionalists happy, Honda is covering all the bases while keeping prices nearly identical to the 2025 model. For families who need 3 rows of actual usable space, proven reliability, and fuel efficiency that won't drain their budget at the pump, waiting a few months for the 2026 model isn't just smart, it's the only decision that makes financial sense. But even with such an impressive design, it's not like there are no worthy competitors. If you thought the competition would just sit and watch Honda dominate, check out our video and see the changes the 2026 Nissan Pathfinder is bringing. Versatile, solid, and practical, the Pathfinder is getting much-needed visual and tech updates to keep up with class leaders.